Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom app, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you schedule a Zoom call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to schedule a Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably doing Zoom calls with sales meetings or with team meetings, and you can schedule these in advance. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoom desktop app. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Zoom account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and schedule a meeting, here on the top, make sure you've clicked on home. Once you've clicked on home, you're going to click on this little calendar looking button. It's called schedule. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and schedule your meeting. So first you're going to go through this step by step. So first you're going to name the meeting. So taco discussion with Anthony, and then we're going to choose a date. So let's go ahead and set it up for next week, and the time. So we'll run this from 1:30 until 2:30 p.m. Make sure you have the correct time zone right here. Otherwise it's going to mess it up for everybody. This is going to be the time zone that your Zoom call is happening in for you, the administrator. If this is a recurring meeting, you can go ahead and set that up here. So you can set up weekly, monthly, daily. Here, you go ahead and invite people to your Zoom meeting. So you can just enter in their email address here. Okay. Once you type in their email, just click on their email and they're going to be added into the attendee list. They're also going to receive an email invitation. Here you can choose if you want them to have access to the chat after the meeting. I'm going to turn that off. The meeting ID, you can go ahead and generate that automatically. This passcode right here, this is set up for everyone who's going to be calling in with a phone, not on the computer or through a link that you send. Waiting room, this means that everybody is going to have to be accepted by you before they can come into the Zoom call. So that way you don't just have random people showing up into your Zoom call. Video, you can have that set as off immediately, and then you click on advanced. Allow participants to join at any time. I'm going to turn that off. You can mute your participants once they join in automatically. That way they can't come in and just start saying vulgar things. You can choose to record the meeting onto your local computer. And then you can also choose this to approve or block entry for users from specific countries or regions. All right, once you're done, go ahead and click on send. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and it brings me directly into my calendar. So we can open this up. And now you can see we have our Zoom meeting scheduled. And then here is our join link right here, along with the meeting ID and passcode. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to schedule a Zoom call using the Zoom app, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.